Blog posts and basically anywhere else on the site where you can add in text blocks with just regular text, and it gives you the visual and the text tab when you're editing the text block. But within blog posts, there's this really neat feature called the block quotes. And what it does is you can take a quote from anywhere in the blog post and you can put this block quote wherever you want it to be. So let's go back into the edit post area and we'll show you where the block post or the block quote feature is. So when you're within your blog post and you find a nice little quote that you want to really stand out for people to see, there's the best way to do this is be in the text tab, and then let's say this is what I did. I took this quote right here and I copied and pasted it down here, and what you do is, well, since this isn't the full quote and there's more, I just added the dot 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 to it. Let's just delete this real quick. So what you do is you take your block or your quote that you want to put in the block quote, copy that, put it down here, and then highlight the entire quote that you just pasted and click this block quote, and then that'll then put these tags around it, and then once you update the page, then it'll have this cool little kind of makes it pop out, makes it look cool, and people notice that quote better. And this can also be cleaned up. It adds in these empty areas to kind of space it out better, but that's not really needed. So just delete 2 of those on top and 2 on the bottom, so there's just one space on top of it and underneath it, and then just hit update, and then that'll be it. Once the page refreshes, you can go out to your blog post, refresh it, and check out the new block quote, and there it is. And it's already automatically styled, so once you do put some kind of quote within these block quote tags, and you don't have to add those manually, you can just paste the quote anywhere and then highlight it, make sure you highlight it. Oh, gotta add this in. Make sure you highlight it, the entire quote that you just pasted, and just click this, it's called B quote, and then that'll then put the tags around it. And that's it. And then update and you're all good to go.